There's been some reports that Megan Thee Stallion is contemplating suing Klay Thompson. Now, I just want to point out there's no credible confirmed reports on that, but it's being circulated right now that Megan wants to sue Klay Thompson. In this video, we're going to talk about, is it possible for her to sue Klay Thompson? What does she have to do? Different things like that. Guys, please do me a favor. Before we get into this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell notification so you can get updated on my latest content as it drops. All of that will be greatly appreciated by me. What would be the reason for the lawsuit? If someone like Megan Thee Stallion were to sue for emotional distress, it will likely fall under one of these legal claims: intentional infliction of emotional distress, claiming someone deliberately caused severe emotional harm, negligent infliction of emotional distress. Now, claiming harm that caused through careless behavior. To even consider a case, she would need to argue that Klay Thompson's actions were, number one, extreme and outrageous. Number two, directed at her, not just general behavior, cause real psychological harm. In celebrity situations such as this, it involves public humiliation, false statements, defamation, overlap, harassment, or targeted behavior. What has to be proven in court? This is where most cases fall apart, right? Courts require strong evidence, not just feelings. The plaintiff, like Megan, hypothetically, must prove conduct was extreme and outrageous, not just rude, but disrespectful, intent and reckless. The defendant either meant to cause harm, like, for example, Klay meant to cause harm on her and she had proof of that he targeted her. Severe emotional distress, mild stress, something documented like therapy, if she going to therapy or something like that. Was she diagnosed with something after the fact that this caused it? Direct causation, the emotional harm must clearly come from that person's actions. Why these cases are hard to win. Emotional distress lawsuits are not easy to win, especially involving celebrities. Here's why: high legal threshold. Courts protect free speech and don't punish ordinary conflict. Public figure standards set celebrities like Megan Thee Stallion face an even higher bar. They're expected to endure criticism and public commentary. Proof is difficult. Emotional harm must be backed by medical records, expert testimony, like a psychologist, clear timeline of the impact. Could she sue, though? Yeah, she could sue. Anyone can file a lawsuit, guys. Even I could file a lawsuit against Klay. This situation has harmed me. I'm a huge fan of Megan Thee Stallion. And I want to sue Klay Thompson. Anybody can file a lawsuit, right? But filing isn't equal winning. This case against Klay Thompson, to even move forward, there would need to be documented actions, texts, interviews, posts, etc. A clear pattern of harm behavior. Evidence of real psychological damage. Without that, the case could get dismissed early. How likely would she be to win? Low likelihood, unless there's serious documented misconduct that we don't know about, like something went on in their relationship. Even lower based on social media drama, personal disagreement, public comments without clear harm. Most celebrity emotional distress cases get settled privately, dismissed before trial. The bottom line here is there is no verified lawsuit happening right now. I know a lot of people reporting on it. Emotional distress claims require extreme behavior, strong evidence. Celebrities have a higher burden of proof. Winning this type of case is difficult without clear documented harm. Let this be a lesson for these celebrity athletes, man. You got to be careful who you date. You definitely have to be careful, man, because one bad relationship can really set you back and have you in court for no reason. Klay is a very rich person. He has to be careful on who he dates, man. He definitely has to be careful. I know people are saying, well, doesn't Megan have to be careful as well? Yeah, Megan has to be careful as well on who she dates. They're public figures. This public fallout could have been private. It really could have, but she did go on stage and announce this breakup. This all could have just been, hey guys, they're no longer dating anymore. Like their publicist could have just quietly put this out. But as of right now, this is what it is. But do I think this case is going to go anywhere? I'm not sure. It depends on what evidence she has in their relationship. Maybe they went through something. There's something going on that caused her severe emotional distress, something he was doing in the relationship. I don't know. But we'll see how far this goes. But right now, it's just a rumor. There's nothing concrete to say that Megan is suing. But drop your comments below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching, guys. But before you go, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell notification so you can get updated on my latest content as it drops. If you have any video ideas, feel free to leave a comment below. Take care.